Welcome to Kids Corner. Subscribe for more videos.
Hello everyone. Today we will make a small diary. For that we require a A4 size paper, printed paper, scissor and glue. So first we will fold the paper like this. And now we will also fold one fold again. Then one fold. Then one fold. And then one last fold. And then we will open the page and cut it in the pieces that we have to fold. Cut paper pieces like this. Our pieces of paper is ready. Now we will stick with the glue. We will take glue and in a small piece in the middle we will apply glue. At the another page of the paper we will stick like this, and now like this only we will stick all of these paper pieces. All the papers to make by a small beautiful diary. We will cut the extra sides of the book. Like this. Now I will take the printed paper to make my cover of diary, and now we'll cut the cover of the diary and stick on the middle side of the white A4 size paper. Now my diary is ready. That is so beautiful. You also make this a small, beautiful and cute diary. Now the diary is ready. You can write anything in this diary, like your homework, your studies, something important, maths sums. You can write in this diary. And thank you for watching this video. Bye.